Right, okay, so we have the 2.2 loom in place in the L series. So over here, it's this particular harness that I've just got hanging down between the blower motor and the aircon box. It literally loops up in behind the aircon box, and you can just see it up top in there through that void in the heater box. There's a nice gap in there. You can see down in there that it goes through just this one here, but it's got a Y there. It goes through the firewall, and then this one conveniently loops up underneath the steering column with the relays over on this left hand side of the steering column. So that's a good start. Over this side, this looks as expected. It looks horrible because up here at the moment I've just tried to tuck all the old 1.8 ECU wires from the original engine ECU up here out of place. They would normally be tucked down in under here, but I'm going to try and keep this area free for the sec and see if I can tuck them out of the way. So the actual Liberty loom, if I didn't have all these up in place in here, whoops, the actual Liberty loom is that one tucked back in there. It doubles back on itself. But like we said at the end of the day, the last wiring diagram I did with the 6 wires was 100% correct. So the wiring coming off these two ended up basically being 6 wires. So I will just do a quick separate one on each of them now, which I may or may not put up. I'll just wait and see. And yeah, one little plug's fallen off in the back. I might have to lengthen that wire if it's just too short, because that's one of the important ones. All right, so all good.